I, Dal Lake, draw tourists from the world over with my shimmering beauty. When the Mughal Emperor Jahangir first visited Kashmir in the 17th century and saw me, he exclaimed, "If there is paradise on earth, it is here, it is here, it is here." Time passed slowly, and then my peace was shattered by shots from rifles, streams of blood, empty houseboats, and beggar children. I have tolerated a lot, but now I am dying a slow death. Why? How? Raw sewage, land encroachment, and years of neglect have been threatening my survival. Me, Dal Lake. Experts fear that unless drastic action is taken within 100 years, Dal Lake will simply become a marsh. Due to continuous flow of effluent waste, solid pollutants are deposited on me and ecological changes have taken place. It is estimated that about 80,000 tons of silt, 31,000 kg of nitrates and 4,000 kg of phosphates are added annually to the lake. Biochemical oxygen demand has considerably increased, whereas dissolved oxygen level has fallen below permissible limits. Various parameters exceed the permissible limits proposed by WHO. There came a red warning in August 1991, whereby a thick layer of red algal bloom appeared on my surface. The local fish population declined and the important water plants disappeared from me due to water contamination. For anyone dipping their hands into me, the opaque water running through their fingers feels dense, almost alive. The weed thick as ropes, shifts just beneath the surface like a monster. Thousands and thousands tons of the food stuff is believed to die off each year and sink in my depths, its decomposition adding to the water's pollution load. The Pollution Control Board's report of 2003-2004 says that Dal is dying slowly as pollutants are 6 to 8 times more than the permissible limit. The report also says that the construction and the design deficiencies of the treatment plant is leading to its poor functions. Besides the known factors like human settlements, hotels, floating gardens, and even dhobi ghats on the periphery are generously contributing to the lake's slow death. The quantity of biomass is ever increasing, reducing the penetration of light, and that is why the red algae is blooming the lake. Dal Lake has shrunk from 75 square kilometer to 11.56 square kilometer, and depth has also decreased from 17 feet in 1970s to less than 9 feet. 4 freshwater channels feeding Dal Lake have been blocked due to unplanned urbanization of Srinagar city. Despite a ban on littering in the lake, most of its 700 natural springs have been choked by polythene and other industrial waste. Although the construction of new houseboats stopped in 1991, the existing boats continue to operate without any such change of design. To save me, though authorities have ordered a ban on the houseboats, still wastewater goes directly into me from the houseboats each day. But houseboat owners deny the official claim that they are the primary cause of pollution and there are the other reasons for the present conditions which the authorities are overlooking. A large amount of city sewage, hotel waste still goes into the lake untreated, and the water circulation system through different canals in the city has been blocked, resulting in my stale condition. I am dying due to eutrophication, which causes aquatic weed and algae growth, damages local flora and fauna, and results in the clogging of freshwater arteries. Environmentalists are also indicating that floating vegetable gardens are major polluters. Pesticides used by farmers for cultivation find their way into me. In addition to my problems, there are higher incidences of gastrointestinal disorders, besides other waterborne diseases among the local people as well as the tourist. Test shows high levels of lead, arsenic, iron, manganese, copper, cadmium that accumulate in fish, which are then consumed by the human, posing serious health risk. I want to live, want to be saved. You are not doing enough to save me. My problems turn me brackish green, and soon I will be treated as a dying heritage. Imported machines are not able to clear the weeds and filth, but an integrated approach, love, and awareness are needed to save me. Save me, or else witness my extinction. But don't forget, like you, Dal Lake also has the right to survive on Earth.